Hello internet citizens and welcome to JavaScript training by Flipbell IT Studio. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn about data types. Now data types are so important in programming. To be able to operate on variables, it is important to know something about the types. Without data type, computer cannot just identify that it is a variable or string or array or whatever it is. Now there are usually four kind of data types in JavaScript that are number, and it could be anything like 16, 17, 18, or it could be anything. Now string, now anything that is written between double quotes like any name or name of any object, or it could be anything, that is called strings. Now arrays has multiple values, like it could be 1, 2, 3 or the certain names of any one category. And objects, it could be anything as well, like any name or quality, or it could be anything. So the best way to understand about it, to write a code using all the data types. So our movie is gonna be in two parts on data types. So first of all, let's start writing the code using data types quickly. So first of all, let me get the document.getElementById into the inner HTML. And we are getting it into the inner HTML because we are gonna show output simply in an HTML. Now the best thing about JavaScript is that there is a type of function that if you will use it, JavaScript will automatically identify that it is a array or string or number or whatever it is. Now here I have written type of Flipbell, and then I have added break row so that I can really get to know that what the Flipbell here and how the JavaScript is considering it. Now in the next line, I'm gonna write type of and then certain numbers and then break again. I need not to do anything. JavaScript will automatically identify that what exactly is JavaScript considering the numbers. Next one I'll write here as type of false, and then again the break row tag, and it should be Boolean considered by JavaScript. Now next up here I have written certain choices that are 1, 2, 3, 4, and it should be considered as arrays, but JavaScript will consider it as object right now. Now in second movie we will read more about why it is considering it as an object and not anything else. And let me just remove this extra script tag that I've got over here. In the same case, this is happening with object. I have multiple values, and as I've told you, if I save it, okay, I've done a small mistake. I have written it into the HTML document. Let me just start this script tag from here. And now it's good to go. So if I save it, then you can see that JavaScript is showing us that Flipbell here is considered as string. Numbers are considered as number. False value is considered as Boolean. 1, 2, 3, 4 is considered as object. It should consider it as arrays, but type of multiple choices is called arrays. So it will consider it as object. Now next, my name and age is considered as object as well. Now second movie, we will learn more about arrays and object that are important one. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.